Yeah, so that's how you clean the back part of your engine. I just removed the wheel, but first you have to remove the exhaust, is over there, then remove the wheel and put a plastic bag and tape it around. Make sure water doesn't go into the braking system, drum brake. And only household, I use the sponge, and obviously these ones I'm using only for bike cleaning. I'm not using it for cleaning dishes, obviously, so I bought them only for this purpose. Iron sponge, you can scratch it, can push it in, and very important, wear some waterproof gloves, so some elastic or plastic gloves, so your hand doesn't get dirty. And I'm just using hot water, hot tub water. Doesn't need kettle, doesn't need to boil it. That's it. And just shower gear, anything, any kind of type of shower gear. Doesn't have to, you don't have to buy any specific products. I mean, it's better, but yeah. And as you can see, the best would be to remove everything, remove this, and but I did a fairly alright job. Yeah, that's all.